Today we're going to be discussing Shiba Inu Coin, the whales that are buying, and much more. So if you guys want to hear all that, stick around to the end of the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, how many you want to have, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And I'm going to be setting a like goal of 200 likes for this video, so if you guys could help us out with that, that'd be awesome. And if you guys are interested in joining a Shiba Inu Coin private Discord, then we have one for you. So if you guys want to join that, use that second link in the description, get signed up with our Patreon. It will get you direct access to our private Discord. All you have to do is pick one of these tiers and then join through that. So if you guys want to join our private Discord, just pick one of these tiers. Without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So here we are on public.com. We can see Shiba Inu Coin is down about 1% on the day. Now we're going to be talking about technical analysis at the end of this video, as well as going over some whale activity that's going on with Shib right now and what that could mean for Shib going into the year of 2022. So if you guys want to hear that, stick around till the end of the video. But first, I do want to mention Shiba Inu Coin is sitting here at the #1 spots in terms of activity, and this is above both Bitcoin and Crypto.com, which has big catalysts coming up. So really good to see Shiba Inu Coin at the top of these rankings. But now let's get into our article for today, and that's going to be coming from coinidle.com, and is going to be Shiba Inu whales increase their portfolio despite criticism, 53 billion tokens added to the balance. So they even have this nice little drawing here that's very cute, very cool. But anyways, interest in the Shiba Inu meme token is growing despite the criticism its developer is facing. Investors tend to increase their portfolio as new whales join the community. As reported by a transaction tracker, WhaleStat, one Ethereum whale has purchased 53 billion Shib tokens with a total value of $2 million. Meanwhile, existing Shiba Inu investors have increased their portfolios by an average of 8%. So you can see here an Ethereum whale bought 53 billion Shib just today, ranked number 37 on Whale Stats. You can see the transaction here if you guys want to. But they say that the good news comes with bad news. I don't see what they're about to talk about as bad news, but I will talk about it really quickly. This purchase comes at the same time as another wave of criticism related to the meme token and its legitimacy. As reported by CoinIdle, a world blockchain news outlet, which is themselves, where am I? Shiba Inu developer Satoshi Kusama was attacked by a popular Canadian medical information service, Ask the Doctor. The service also posted a series of rather aggressive tweets calling the token a scam and threatening Kusama with legal action. Now, we have gone over in our videos why this is unwarranted by Ask the Doctor. He basically lost $500,000 because he added $1.5 million to the balance sheet of his company, of Shib, and then he sold it at the absolute bottom before we had this recent run with Shiba Inu Coin from the 28 level all the way up to the 40 level, which basically would have given him all of his money back if he just held for basically like 3 more days. But he still went off and he started to promote FUD about Shib, which is what they're reporting on. Early December as well, a well-known Wolf of Wall Street also criticized the Shib token, calling it a scam. However, none of the attacks have seemed to hurt Shiba Inu Coin. On the contrary, the token's price is on the rise. In the last 24 hours, the coin has gained about 6%. So basically, what they're trying to note in this article here is that even with all of this FUD that is being spread by a Wolf of Wall Street as well as Ask the Doctor, we are still killing it in terms of overall price activity and then people talking about it in general. So Shib is much stronger than any amount of FUD that can come out about it, and I just want to say my 2 cents. I don't believe this is a scam, in case you guys were wondering my opinion on the matter. But yeah, I do not believe it's a scam, and this is all FUD that really hasn't affected Shib, so I'm really happy about that. Also, if you guys weren't aware, Shib just had their 4th largest burn in Shib history, with 692 million Shib being burned. We did report on this, and it was one of our best performing tweets we have ever had, having 69 retweets and 158 likes. So I'd like to say thank you guys for that. But if you guys want to get some updated Shib news, definitely follow us on Twitter at It's Finance Bro, and also join our Discord if you guys want to see very up-to-date information on Shib and crypto in general. But yeah, so we have reported, and basically this 4th largest burn was 692, and also just to couple of days ago, we had two different whales purchase $50 million and $150 million worth of Shib respectively in about a day span. These whales must know something is coming, and they are loading up, and they have already come up on a pretty significant bag, but they will be coming up with an even more significant bag very soon. But yeah, now let's go over coin market cap and the global crypto market. So we can see that the global crypto market is down about 1% on the day, and also the global crypto market cap is sitting at about 2.37 trillion. Now we were at about 2.15 trillion just a day ago. However, you can see Bitcoin right here having a very good last 7 days. You can see if we take it by the month, we have kind of just been in this kind of crash overall bear market. However, over the past couple of days, we've been seeing these massive push ups with most likely whales getting into it. Now, if we check where Shiba Inu Coin is at, we can see that Shib is sitting at 13, about $5 billion behind Dogecoin. So we are a bit away, but we are also a bit away from Polygon Matic. So we're likely to stay in this 13th spot for the time being. The volume is sitting at about $2.1 billion, which is okay, but I'd like to see this get to closer to the $3 to $4 billion range. But yeah, I'd like to see our market cap by Christmas or tomorrow go up a substantial amount, hopefully in the 20 to 30% range, where we can see our market cap go from 20 billion all the way to 25 billion and pass Dogecoin and flip Dogecoin. But we'll have to see if that's going to happen. Now let's get into the technical analysis. So here we are in the technical analysis. We can see that we have broken our support line here. We'll see where this candle closes out, but most likely we have broken our support at this 37 level. Our next support is going to be at the 34 level, or we can even possibly see a support here at about the 36 level as well. We'll have to see where we stop. We could either be stopping here at the 36 level, in which case I would still be bullish to see Shiba Inu Coin get from the 36 all the way to the 40, which would be a 10% gain. But if we do break this 36 level, we could possibly head down to the previous support at the 34 level. So the most losses I see happening in the next day is going to be about 8 to 10%, and the most gains I can see is about 8 to 10% as well. So we'll just have to see where Shib goes in the following hours and tomorrow. But I personally think Shib will be bullish on Christmas Day, which is when you'll be seeing this because of all the different things that we have happening. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps with the growth of the channel, and also comment down below how much Shiba Inu Coin you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. And then also, I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. I know that this video obviously might not be your first thing that you wanted to do on your Christmas day, but I'm glad that you guys are here. If you did make it this far, please comment down below how much Shib you have and what you got for Christmas. But then also, if you guys want to get a free stock, make sure you use the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you'll get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can then sell and invest into Shiba Inu Coin, get yourself some free Shib. If you want to join our private Discord where we talk about the latest Shib and crypto news, use the second link in the description. But anyways, Merry Christmas. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.